In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to bank account. Step-by-step guide. First, open your web browser and search for the official Pocket Option website. Once you're on the site, head to the account area and sign in. Use your usual login details, and if you've enabled two-factor authentication, have your code ready. Make sure you're on the correct account and that your balance is available for withdrawal. After signing in, you'll land on the home page. Look for the finance section in the main menu. This is where all deposit and withdrawal tools are located. Click Finance, then choose Withdrawal to open the withdrawal form. Before you proceed, remember that withdrawals become available after you've made a deposit. That's part of the platform's policy. Most withdrawal requests are processed automatically in a few minutes, but depending on your bank and verification status, it can take up to 3 business days. On the Withdrawal Methods page, select Bank Card or Bank Transfer, typically shown as Visa or MasterCard. This routes funds straight to your bank via your card network. For the smoothest experience, it's best to use the same card you use to deposit. Many payment providers require this for security and anti-fraud reasons, and it can speed up processing. Next, enter your withdrawal details. Type the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it meets any minimums and leaves enough in your balance for open trades or any pending bonuses. Confirm the cardholder name matches your account name and that the card number and other requested fields are correct. If there's a currency option, pick the currency your bank account uses to avoid conversion fees. Double check everything. Small typos can cause delays. When you're confident the information is correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may see a summary screen to review the amount and method one more time. Approve the request, and if prompted, complete any security confirmation such as a one-time code. You might receive a confirmation message or email indicating your request was submitted. Now wait for processing. You can monitor the status in your finance or withdrawal history section. Automatic approvals can complete quickly, but banks sometimes need extra time, especially over weekends or holidays. If the request shows as pending for longer than the usual time frame, verify that your account is fully verified and that there are no holds or compliance checks in progress. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, keep your details consistent, and your funds should arrive safely in your bank account.